Hey, how's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and we're going to do a review on this awesome tool. Hopefully it's awesome. We don't know yet. We'll actually make another review on how we use it in our warehouse. One of the things we focus on at Joe's Gaming Electronics, we do lean and remanufacturing, lean manufacturing. We focus on constant improvement and eliminating waste. One of the things we have our warehouse. It gets cleaned every single day by all the ninjas that work here. And in order to improve that and making sure it reduces the amount of friction for our ninjas to clean, we got a cordless vacuum, and it's supposed to work on the M18 batteries, which is cool. One quick secret on these: if you're gonna buy this vacuum, make sure you buy the batteries separately rather than buying them together. You'll get a much better price. If you buy the batteries together with the charger and everything, it's gonna come out about $500. If you buy just the vacuum and the batteries separately, you're gonna get it for about $400 to $420, which is gonna save you about 80 bucks, which is cool. So there's a quick little secret. And we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick little unboxing. This is how it comes like. We like to call this the jetpack. We have a couple of these vacuums. We have one of them, but it's wired, has a power adapter and stuff. So this runs off batteries. It should run for about 40 minutes, which is kind of cool. And so here we go. Some of the features that they're saying right here. All right, let's look. 2 times more suction, wear, hang, and carry, up to 3 times quieter. It has a brushless motor, and it has some PCB ability and red lithium battery, which is cool. This is just a tool only. I have the batteries in a different location. So it looks like we have one of the tools here. Okay, that's nice. I do like the fact that it has a little piece of rubber here on the bottom of this tool. This is the tool we're probably going to be using most often. And what's nice about the rubber tools, all the crap on the front is going to kind of sit to the back, and then the rubber will hold it there so it can fall into place and get sucked in. So this is going to be a really cool tool, and I'm really happy that this thing's nice. Seems like it's built pretty well. Also, for sure these wheels are going to be an issue. I'm guessing they're going to get clogged up with hair and whatnot, but I like this. It's a good tool. It seems like it moves around really nicely as well. Looks like some adapters. We got a chisel here. Nothing revolutionary, just a regular chisel. And an adapter of some sorts. Alright. Go ahead and pull the rest of this. Some cardboard. Awesome. Alright. So it looks like we have one of the flexible hoses here. Very nice. And looks like we have the main hose. Seems pretty solid. This is not aluminum. This feels like some kind of composite metal, a little thicker. Seems a little more heavy duty. Okay, cool. So it stands up and down. Doesn't really have an option here for it, but I think you can press up and down. And there's a little lever here that goes up and down. Cool, very cool. Really smart design. Sweet. Pull that out, and then pulling the jetpack out. Sweet. It's actually pretty big. It's actually bigger than I was anticipating. So this is how it looks. I'm guessing this thing just pops right out of place here. So this is about 1 gallon from what I remember. And it has your filter right up top here. This pops out of place. And all your junk kind of goes here on the side. Yeah, I can see why this is definitely quiet. It has a lot of chambers there, should make it a lot quieter. There we go. Pop that back in place. All right, so this is probably, I don't know what the weight is on here. I'm saying not super heavy. Usually they have the weight on here. So it's 1 gallon capacity. It's 15.3 pounds. A little on the heavier side. Air pressures, you got 15 air watts. Sealed suction, 76 H2O lift, and 55 CFM on the air volume. Kind of lower than the Makita. The Makita has a little better suction power on these, but these only require 1 battery from what I see here on the bottom. What you do is you take your M18 battery, shove on the bottom here. It should work for about 40 minutes, which is awesome. Let's put this on my back. All right. Looks like they have a zip tie here, so I'm gonna have to get a knife. Cut this sucker open. Alright. So this specifically is made for 3 types of usage: wear, hang, and carry, which is nice. You can put it on your ladder, you can carry it, or you can put it on your back, which is really, really nice. And so we're gonna go ahead and cut this open. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Do not try this at home. Yeah, one of those nice and thick. Perfect. And that's that. So I'm really interested to see how this feels. I like the fact that it has this on the bottom here, it goes around your waist, so it should be a lot more comfortable. 15 pounds is heavy. And also with the battery pack, it's gonna be even a little heavier because those battery packs do weigh a little bit. Put this back. So I'm about 5'9" or so, and if you look, it comes right up to my ass right here. And this is adjustable. Takes me back to the good old days, going to school with my backpack. And I believe you can put all the tools here too, which is really nice. You can really run the tools. Right here, you can put your chisel. I don't know if that's what they made them for, but I'm guessing that's probably why it's there. Get snug on top. There's that. Feels pretty good. I like, yeah, there's a lot of padding here on the inside, right by the hips. I don't got a lot of meat there by the hips, so this is gonna be really nice just to get a nice padding on here. I can see vacuuming around. All right, let's set this up. You know, kind of simulate it. And we will make another video in terms of how we use it here and how it helped us out. But we're hoping that this is gonna help us out. All right, so this flexible hose, I don't know exactly where it's supposed to go, but I'm gonna guess it has something to do with going in here, and it probably goes over here somewhere. Has to plug in somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but it's a mystery. This might just be the extendable hose. Yeah, I might just plug in right to here. There we go. Simple enough. I like this little feature here where it's gonna bend the hose with you rather than just bending the hose. So it has a little flexible plastic piece here. This is flexible. I like this. It's very, very high quality feel. I'm a big fan of that. Right. Little piece of plastic fill here. I'm not really sure what that is for. Ah, that's nice. You can actually hang this onto something. If you have a belt or something, you can hang this onto, or you can also hang this onto a ladder. This and that at the same time. Excellent. I'm gonna simulate cleaning it, and then within our next video, we'll make a video of us using this. So far, I'm really digging the way this goes level with where you're at. As you can see, you have a lot of space here to make it level. Rather than being this high or this low, you do have about, I'd say about 40 degrees of space before it gets off the ground, which is really nice. Oh yeah. Good movement here. All you gotta do is twist this. Instead of moving your hand, all you gotta do is just alternate this and actually twist it about, yeah, you got about 45 degrees to twist both ways. Very cool. So it doesn't really have a handle here, kind of like most vacuums, right? It seems like it just has this little piece right here, so that's not super comfortable, but you'd essentially just be holding it right here, going around and vacuuming things up. As you can see, this stem here is probably about 4 feet. It extends out that much. Gets as small as probably 2.5, 3 feet right here. Sweet. Well, that's all we have for now. This is just the tool review. We're gonna go ahead and add a battery, get this functional and see if it works good. And hope you guys enjoyed this review. And so far, I would recommend this. I'm excited to see how loud it is and how well the suction works on it, because that's obviously really important when you buy a vacuum, right? You wanna make sure it sucks really well. Alright folks, hope you guys enjoy this video. My name is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Check out our website, all our social media platforms. Follow us, like us, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.